Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading. Discover the most profitable Bitcoin and crypto trading strategies to turn the market into a money-making machine. Find 100x projects and build wealth. Written by Matthew Reed. Narrated by Jim Rising. Chapter 1. Bitcoin. It is absolutely natural to start a cryptocurrency trading book by taking a look at the mother of all cryptocurrencies. Obviously, we're talking about Bitcoin, and the next 2 pages are going to lay out the foundation for the next chapters. Bitcoin, represented with the symbol B and with the ticker symbol BTC or XBT, is a cryptocurrency in a worldwide payment system created in 2009 by an anonymous inventor or a group of inventors known under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto, who developed the idea from himself, presented on the Internet at the end of 2008. By convention, if the term Bitcoin is used with a capital letter, it refers to the technology in the network, while if the term Bitcoin is used in lowercase, it refers to the currency itself. By financial experts, Bitcoin is not classified as a currency, but as a store of value that is currently very volatile. Unlike most traditional currencies, Bitcoin does not use a central entity or sophisticated financial mechanisms. In fact, its value is determined solely by the supply and demand ratio. It uses a database distributed among the nodes of the network that hold trace of transactions, but uses cryptography to manage functional aspects, such as the generation of new money and the attribution of ownership of Bitcoins. This technology is called blockchain, and we will discuss more about it in the next chapter. The Bitcoin network allows the pseudo-anonymous possession and transfer of coins. The data necessary to use one's Bitcoins can be saved on one or more personal computers or electronic devices, such as smartphones, digital wallet, or kept with third parties that perform functions similar to a bank. The Bitcoin wallet has an address identified by an alphanumeric code that has between 25 and 36 characters between numbers and letters. The address is the only data that needs to be communicated in order to receive a payment. That will enjoy a certain degree of anonymity. It will, at the same time, be publicly and immutably visible on the blockchain forever. It is necessary to be very careful in transmitting the alphanumeric code, as any errors do not allow the operation to be canceled and cause the loss of money. It is possible to receive payments more easily by scanning QR codes that represent the wallet address. In any case, Bitcoins can be transferred over the Internet to anyone with a Bitcoin address, no matter the distance between the two individuals. The peer-to-peer structure of the Bitcoin network and the lack of a central entity makes it impossible for any authority, government, or company to block transfers, seize Bitcoins without the possession of the relevant keys, or devaluation due to the entry of new currency. What most people don't know is that Bitcoin is one of the first implementations of a concept defined as cryptocurrency, first described in 1998 by Wei Day on a mailing list that saw little to no interest. A bit of price history. The first exchange rate was on October 5, 2009, and set the value of $1 at 1,309 BTC. Bitcoin reached $1,000 for the first time on November 27, 2013. New historical records were reached on December 17, 2017, reaching $20,000 per Bitcoin. The value then plummeted rapidly, dropping below $8,000 in February 2018 and stabilizing at around $6,000 for the rest of 2018. Since 2019, the value has fluctuated from a low of around $3,500 in January to over $40,000 in December of 2020. On March 13, 2021, after Tesla's purchase of $1.5 billion in BTC, it reached its highest historical value, exceeding $61,000. As you might understand by this quick look at Bitcoin's price history, it is a very volatile asset that gives a lot of opportunity to traders that can take advantage of big fluctuations in the market. Bitcoin's tokenomics. The total value of the Bitcoin economy, calculated in December 2012, was about $140 million US.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?